right, beautiful babe, sweet angel. Ooh, feeling a little bit more rested. I don't know why, but I do. Listen, today is, what is today? Oh my gosh, it's Thursday, July 7th. Where are we at? We are on day 6 of this renovation. Well, a little DIY situation. But y'all, I'm feeling better today. I just got up. It's 1:38. Okay, it's 1:38. I've been up every bit of 20 minutes probably, and that's because the vent from Home Depot showed up at the door and the doorbell rang. I was like, oh my gosh. But Mike has already been up, and in fact, he's back out at the store again. I don't know what I would do without him in this process, because y'all know I hate the streets these days. I don't get out. It's got to be something special, like that package right there. Okay, we got something else, so we're gonna see what that is. And I just wanted to check in. I made some good strides last night. I did not get in bed till 5:30 this morning, so I didn't get a full 8 hour, but I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. Anyway, let me check to see what's at the door, and I'll be back to you. So y'all know everything is in disarray, so I ain't gotta apologize for my messes around here. But the vent came earlier from Home Depot, and we're gonna put that up here in just a moment. And the little, I don't even know what you call the thing for the tub, the tub tray, bathtub tray came, and also the blind for the bathroom. So anywho, that's it. That's all that showed up. Where's my stuff? I'm just kidding. I hope I don't have anything else. I don't need to be spending any more money. I'm about finished with this thing, I guess. And Maddie's talking about put another floor down. Girl, she loves the tile in the bathroom, and this is what's in here. You know, if I do any tile, it'll just be for the kitchen area, because that's the only area that's gotten a little bit of abuse with a few cracks in it. But other than that, I will just stop it right here at the doorway and keep it pushing. That'll be it. So anywho, so what kept me up till 5 o'clock this morning was this backsplash. It was not hard to do. But just, tedious. Just take your time. Not hard, but, time consuming. So anyway, that is that. And we've gotten this area started right here. Mike has gone ahead and taken that little piece off right there, because I'm going to put some backsplash right there. And this little area will be closed up and waiting for the shelves to get installed. So I'm going to go ahead and begin my process of pretty much finishing up painting the undercoat there black. And that's it. That's it. Put the backsplash on here and backsplash over there. The new fans won't be here until Saturday, and I know he's gonna put my handles on eventually, so I'm just waiting that process out. I'm sure it's gonna happen. So it's looking real cute over there. Okay, and I'm going to wash these dirty dishes out and try to get some organization going. So let me do that now. All right, if you hear that sound, that's the dishwasher running. That area under the sink here that Mike, he just pulled out that board. I'm right now putting this product in it, which is focus on me, which is this stuff. I got it from Amazon so long ago and I never used it. It's quick repair. It's wall bending agent 2020 upgrade. 2020. I got it in 2020, and here it is 2022, baby. But anyway, gonna do this right about now. We just ain't about focusing today. Fixing that up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start running my backsplash around this area. So on around here, this has to dry first, so I'm probably just gonna clean up the counter and work over there. So that's that on that. Y'all know. Hey, beautiful babes. I'm still not finished. Listen, remember that hole leading to the laundry room? It is now enclosed. Mikey D came through with the goods, baby. Got it all up there, honey. Now all I gotta do is put the finishing touches on over here. And I picked out what kind of shelf I want up there. So he said he's gonna do what it do. So I don't know when we're gonna do that. Might be tomorrow. I don't know. At some point we're gonna have to take a break, because I mean it's been days and days and days of this, and I tell you what, but it's coming together. Once I do this portion, he promised me he's gonna put the handles up on the shelves, on the doors and stuff in the drawers. But this took a little bit of maneuvering right here, but he got it done. And we took that little base piece out, and now your girl finna create some magic. And the magic is this right here. So I have my cutter. This is what you'll need in order to install these. You need a cutter, a straight edge like this. This works perfectly. This is the best thing you could ever use for this. And you need your marker. Come on in, baby. And I have this little Sharpie when I get ready to cut those little holes for the outlets there. And your scissors. And we finna get busy. Hey, Mikey.
Hello. You call me the wood chopping Mike.
Wood chopping Mike.
Wood sawing Mike.
I was telling them about your fantastic work over here. So, honey.
Well, I've been working all my life.
You know this stuff, huh?
Hard labor.
Y'all excuse the glare of the light back there. From the plantation. It ain't nothing nice at 77, soon to be 78 in September 24th. Y'all come on to Memphis. We're going to have a party. I'm going to tell you more about it real soon.
1944 on the plantation.
Oh my God. Bye, y'all. Y'all know I get all giddy around Mike when he shows up, but you also may need like a measuring tape. Now, I necessarily don't need this because y'all, I be bootlegging my measurements. Honey, I put it where I need it, mark it, and keep on stepping. But a lot of people with skills may need a measuring tape. So there that is. Got my little marker here. I put the other one up there because I'm ready to finish up that little right there. And honey, once I do that corner, it be on. You know, when you gotta go around them little corners and curves, that'd be the problem. But, you know, other than that, the rest of this, piece of cake. All right, I'm knocking it out, babies. I got a little bit more to go. And y'all stay tuned for the finale, okay? Yes, the finale. That's what I'm talking about. Get ready for it. All right, beautiful babes, I am getting ready to call it a night, and as you can see, I completed my task for today. Mike enclosed that opening that looked out into the laundry room, and I have already put on the backsplash on there. So I don't know if it'll be tomorrow because he's going to be putting on the handles, the infamous handles. So he'll be doing that in the morning, I know. And other tasks that has to be done around here, which is things in the bathroom that need to be done. And I'm not sure if he's going to finish up that or not, but I'm just so happy about this enclosure right here. I don't know what to do with myself, so I'm super excited about getting those shelves, which I think is only going to be 2. That's all I need, and that'll give me enough like space in between the 2 to sit any large items or whatever. I'm not even sure what I'm going to put up there, but I just know I wanted that, okay? So there it is, and we'll be ready for the final reveal. It won't be long, I don't think, but it may be, because I have some big purchases that I gotta make before I finalize it, like a couple more cabinets going to be added in here, and also a pantry. So that is that on that, and I'm gonna bid you good night, because guess what, your girl look a hot mess, and I know you're tired of looking at that. So there you go, and I'm so happy. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me on the channel. I do have to get I did change the covers to this silver chrome looking type of deal, and this one I didn't have one for, so I gotta get that tomorrow, or hopefully it'll come tomorrow, because I did order that. So that is it. We are out of here, and y'all have a blessed rest of your day, evening or night, whatever time you're watching this video. Take care. Bye now.